Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly LinkedIn hacks to grow your brand. First, make sure you are logged into your LinkedIn account on your device. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile page. Look for the option that says Add Profile section on your profile page. This is where you will be adding new information to boost your brand. Select Add About. This is a crucial step as it allows you to introduce yourself in a way that showcases your brand effectively. In the About section, enter detailed information about yourself. Talk about your background, expertise, and what sets you apart. This is your chance to make a strong impression and attract potential connections. LinkedIn allows you to add your educational background or experience in any career breaks you have had. Choose the skills that best represent you and your brand. LinkedIn lets you select from a list of predefined skills or add your own. Make sure to select skills that are relevant to your industry and strengths. Take advantage of the various sections on LinkedIn to provide more details about yourself. This include volunteer experience, certifications, projects, or publications. The more information you provide, the better your profile will reflect your brand. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.